Welcome to the Neural Network. Today, we're diving into how your brain tricks you into making bad decisions and how to outsmart it. Let's explore how your brain tricks you into making bad decisions. Every day, we make countless decisions: what to eat, what to wear, and even what to say. But did you know your brain often plays sneaky tricks on you, nudging you toward bad decisions without you even realizing it? Why your brain likes shortcuts. Our brains are wired for efficiency. With billions of pieces of information coming at us daily, our brains rely on mental shortcuts called heuristics. They help us make quick decisions, but they're not always accurate. Let's look at how these shortcuts can lead us astray. The anchoring effect. Have you ever seen a product on sale and thought, "Wow, what a deal," even if you didn't really need it? That's the anchoring effect in action. Your brain latches onto the first piece of information it sees, in this case, the original price, and uses it to judge the value of the item, even if the new price isn't actually a bargain. Confirmation bias. When making decisions, our brains also love to stick with what we already believe. This is called confirmation bias. Instead of seeking out new information, we subconsciously look for evidence that supports our existing opinions. It's like your brain saying, "See, I told you I was right," even if the decision might not be the best. Loss aversion. Then there's loss aversion, our brain's fear of losing something. Studies show that people feel the pain of a loss more intensely than the joy of an equivalent gain. This often leads us to make overly cautious decisions like not investing in a good opportunity because we're afraid of losing money. Decision fatigue. Ever feel exhausted after making too many choices? That's decision fatigue. When your brain gets tired, it's more likely to settle for easier, often less ideal options. Think of that time you ordered fast food after a long day. You weren't lazy, your brain just ran out of steam. Outsmarting your brain. So, how can we outsmart our brains? First, slow down and question your initial reaction. Ask yourself if you're being influenced by a bias. Second, gather diverse perspectives to challenge your assumptions. Finally, prioritize important decisions when you're mentally fresh. Your brain is amazing, but it's not perfect. By understanding its quirks, you can take control and make decisions you won't regret. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the incredible power of your mind. What decision-making bias do you notice most in your daily life? Share in the comments below.